What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right behind me, my car looks a little bit different now. But besides that, today I'm going to give you guys a future update on the car and what I plan to do in the future, and an update on some new parts that I got. So it's going to be a little bit of a quicker video, but I'm going to give you guys that update. And right now I'm going to show you the new part. So I have got a new bumper, and this is the KBD N3R bumper, and it looks just beautiful. Kind of look stock now. How you guys feeling about the new bumper? How do you like that? I think it looks beautiful. I think it completely changes the look of the car. The fitment is really good on it. I just got to fix a few things. This is all my fault. The fitment right here, that's my bad. And then obviously over here as well, I'm gonna end up fixing that up. But I think it just looks gorgeous. Man, this car is disgusting, man. She needs a wash real bad. Y'all can't catch me lacking like this. It's so dirty, but it looks great. So I don't know if you guys can really tell, but I actually had to do a little bit of modifying to this bumper to make it fit correctly. Not too much. We just had to cut it a little bit so that blow-off valve pipe could fit. Because, you know, big turbo things, big intercooler things. But obviously I'm going to wrap the bumper purple. My plans for the bumper is going to be wrap this whole part purple. Obviously all this right here purple. I'm going to wrap it carbon fiber down here. This whole lip area, I'm going to wrap that carbon fiber so that can flow back into the side skirts. And then I'm actually going to wrap my street arrow rear diffuser. I'm going to wrap that in carbon as well so that the carbon flows all the way back. I just feel like that'd be a nice little touch, especially with the carbon eyelids, the carbon hood. And I also plan on getting carbon fiber fenders, so that'd be a great touch. But very quick question for you guys. In the near future, I'm going to be going, obviously, way higher horsepower. I want to either LS3 swap, big turbo, or I want to build a VQ with a VHR bottom end. Leave down below what you think. I want to do probably the VHR bottom end first, and then maybe LS3 in the future, or just go straight to LS3. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments down below. I'm so sorry if it's a little bit windy, guys, but even besides all of that stuff, I do want to get fuel return lines just so that I can run higher boost on E85. That's something that I'm going to be purchasing here real soon. I mean, I'm just so happy with how this car is turning out, man. I don't know if you guys really know. This car used to be a piece of junk. Like, it was ready for the junkyard. It looked like trash. The old owner took terrible care of it. Blown motor, transmission in the passenger seat. And I've just done so much to bring this car all the way back to life and to get it to the point to where it's at now. And I think that it's a pretty good looking car now. So the bumper does look amazing, but unfortunately over here it is rubbing my tire just a bit. I mean, it's peeling away at the bumper a little bit, as you can see right there. That's unfortunate, but I did purchase some PBM coilovers so that I can fix that issue. Obviously fit slicks in the back for the future, but I may go on a smaller tire for the time being, just because I do want to sit a little bit lower, especially once I do put my low glow on, and I just want to see the car on its ass, honestly. But yeah, that's before I go on slicks. But so I'm probably going to purchase some new tires, and that's for the time being. Most of my future plans, though, honestly, I want to get a carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber fenders like I had said earlier. I also do want to purchase a carbon fiber hatch. And the rest of the plans for this car are mostly interior, built motors, LS3, that's future. But I'm going to bring it on in the interior and explain what I want to do on there. Man, guys, it is so cold out in Michigan. I can't wait for the nice weather, but I know you guys want a ding. I know, who doesn't want to hear the ding? I got you. Oh, it's kind of hard one-handed, guys. Shout out NRG. So, onto the interior. I want to obviously get this piece because this is bugging the hell out of me, not having a center console. It just don't look clean, like, at all. I want to do that. I also do want to bring it onto the back here and get a half cage. That's for the rear, obviously. And I do want to get some new seats because mine are that's what those are. But yeah, I do want to get some Brom racing seats. I think that they look amazing. Or even NRG came out with like a Prisma style reclinable seat. I think that would look amazing as well. I also do want to get harnesses that match the purple, obviously, in the car. The purple and white. Some purple harnesses, white half cage. We got these installed. The car's coming together, guys. It really is. I'm so happy. It's unbelievably happy. You know what? I think I need to give you guys a little bit of a rev so you can hear the exhaust setup, the turbo, and everything. I don't think you guys have gotten one of those in a long time, so I'm going to do that. Sounds so good. Also, stay tuned. My tuner is coming back to Michigan here very soon, and we will be tuning this car on pretty much full boost. If I don't have the fuel return by then we're going to be obviously not complete on E85 full power, but the car will be running good and a lot faster than it is now. I mean, the car is pretty quick right now, but it's not where it needs to be. But it will be there very soon, especially once my tuner comes back and we can get this car full power. Can't wait. Also, do not forget to go down below and use code ZLOW20 for 20% off of any Shine Armor product needed. But that's probably going to wrap up today's video. So if you could go down below, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, comment down below what you want to see in the future. I mean, anything you want to see. Come on, we got so much stuff coming for the cars. I got low glow, I got coils, I got new bumper on now. I'm going to be wrapping everything up, and it's going to be looking chef's kiss, right? Brooke's got so much for her car. Trev's even got so much coming in for his car as well. Brooke has coils. She's got a bumper to put on. She's got side skirts that I bought her. She got eyelids. She has a rear duck lip now and a rear diffuser. And we're going to be putting that all on within the next few months or so, as well as doing whatever Trev has planned for his car. So definitely stay tuned for that, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Big shot. Everybody act like they some big talk. Let me show you how you could get picked up. Bad bitch in the back with no ring on. Who is here once I get up, get down.